Surprise, Dad.
What are you?
He's trying to keep me frightened. Go put the cameras away.
Dad, come on. It's only been 21 years since you've seen it.
Force up more.
Did you read your key?
Dad, did you read your key?
Read your key, Dad.
I can't.
You want to read it?
Sister's faithful service.
What scripture's on there?
Oh, I don't know. Matthew 19:29.
Matthew 19:29. Let's see. Somebody's might go back through the night. Ready? And everyone that have forsaken houses or brethren or sisters or father or mother or life or children or lands or cars for my name's sake shall receive 100-fold and shall inherit everlasting life.
So, where did you keep it?